Marriage marks a significant milestone in many lives, and obtaining a marriage certificate is a crucial part of formalizing that union. We explore the importance of this document and the Registrar General's Department RGD's role in obtaining one.
A marriage certificate is a document that shows the solemnization of a couple. It is important when you are doing business such as immigration, banking transactions, mortgages, and so forth. This is an official document that you show to say that you are the legal wife or legal husband of the individual. And when you're carrying out business transactions, that will require you showing proof of you being joined together.
So you've tied a knot and now you need your marriage certificate. What's the process? The first step is making an application with the Registrar General's Department.
So in applying for a marriage certificate, there are some basic information that will be required. First is the official name, which is a name that is present on your birth certificate. So no aliases, no AKAs, no pet names. So your correct name. The date of marriage is also important, where you got married, and the marriage officer's name. Or after the wedding, you'd have been issued with a bridal copy by the marriage officer. That document you can take to the RGD, or if you're applying online, all the information that will be asked of you will be on the bridal copy.
Well, let's say you have your appropriate documents and information at hand, ready to apply for your marriage certificate. Where do you go?
To obtain marriage certificates is quite simple. What you need to do is to go onto our website and you apply with the information that would have been on the bridal copy. And of course, you pay with your Visa, debit, or credit card, and you can choose to pick up at a convenient location based on where you're located.
Accuracy in marriage certificate applications is crucial.
What we find is that some persons use their aliases. So, say they are Jonathan and they use a shortened form, John, or the date of marriage is not accurate, or the marriage officer's name is assumed. So we'll be searching for a marriage that really doesn't exist if the information is not matching up or is not in compliant with what is in our database.
And the fees associated with obtaining a marriage certificate? For standard processing in 46 weeks, $1,500. Get it in 7 to 10 working days for $2,500. Receive your certificate in just 3 to 4 working days for $4,000. You can also order extra copies for $500 each. Don't have the marriage officer's name? The RGD can conduct a search for $250. The process takes up to 5 business days. The RGD also provides registry wedding services as an economical way of getting married.
It's quite simple. You'll be getting a decorated room, a marriage officer who will be performing the ceremony, and of course a marriage certificate within 4 days. It's $18,000. In order to do the registry wedding, there are some documents that would be required by the RGD. Of course, you'd need to secure your minister's license, and that is through the Ministry of Justice. You would also need to present to us your birth certificates, that's for bride and groom, your IDs, and if you were previously married, you would need to submit your divorce decree. You'd also need to submit the death certificate if your husband or wife, whichever the case is, has predeceased you. Once you have submitted these documents and we have secured a date for the wedding, then you just take in your witnesses and then say your I do's.